Chicago Botanic Garden is a living collection of some 2.4 million plants on 385 acres, situated on 9 islands and surrounded by 81 acres of water. The garden is open every day of the year except for December 25th. We're here today focusing not on plants, but on some of the various programs that are geared toward kids and teens, like College First.
The program is for students who are entering into their junior and senior year of high school. So they've just finished sophomore or junior year of high school, and they spend 8 weeks here at the summer in a paid internship. They spend half of their day doing things like what Oscar Herrera is doing here in the lab, which is being mentored by a staff member at the garden. They spend half their day job shadowing, learning some job skills, especially in the science areas. Some of them may work in horticulture, some of them may work in education, the library, plant information. Oscar's working here in the plant genetics lab, researching and isolating DNA of rare and endangered plant species in an effort to a conservation effort, essentially. And then the other half of the day they spend with instructors, and we'll see students who are in the river as part of their wetlands curriculum. Each week is a different focus, and this week is the wetlands ecosystem, and they are out sampling in the river, talking about water quality and animals and plants in a river, and as well as just a general wetland ecosystem today. For College First, the students are recruited exclusively from Chicago Public Schools. We do have a few students who may not be from a Chicago Public School, but who started in Science First in a Chicago Public School, in grammar school, and then may have moved to a private school or a different area. We started recently, about a year ago, a new tracking system, and we are doing surveys and mailings, and we've had a very good success rate with tracking down old students who have wonderful things to say about the program. We do have some who have gone into science careers. We do have some who say that as a result they are doing lots of gardening in their personal lives and things like that.
College First has been a great experience for me because it has offered me great opportunities and also given me the experience that I need in order to do my job, which I really want to do in the future. Currently this year, what I do is disinfecting bugs, because those are the pollinators that work with the Penstemon digitalis, which is a penstemon that we currently have in the prairie here, the Dixon Prairie in the Chicago Botanic Garden. And what we want to know is like what type of pollinators pollinate that specific plant, right? Is it only bees, flies, beetles, or mosquitoes, right? So one of the things that I find really interesting was that the bees and the wasps really do have similarities, but the thing is, there's only one thing, the big difference, right? The bees tend to have hairs in their lines and their stripes, and they're not just only yellow and black. They can tend to be like different colors too, like blue, green, black, and sometimes like really, really tiny, really small. This experience has helped me to improve my grades at school, right? Actually, with the College First, my instructor, they taught me a lot of different stuff like botany, what is a wetland, what is a prairie, what's the difference between a savanna and a forest, right? And when two habitats fuse together, they come up with a new ecosystem, right? So that's one of the things I really enjoy doing, and I really like nature.
We'll be back with more from the Chicago Botanic Garden after this break. Stay with us.